Alright, Lawrence, what a BG! And we're back. Short graduation. Dynamital. Over the sides. Horseshoe section. Boom. Tip out of the way. Tip overcome. Fucking whack that off. Boom. Next bit. Continue that shape round. Do the hairline at the back. Neaten and tidy everything up. Taper it down. Nice delicate line. Whoa! Poppin'. Cross check. Onto the sides. Take the shortness from the back into the front. Around the ears, neat and tidy. Boom! Same on the other side. Scissors over gold comb. Top section, fringe out of the way. Guideline in at the top. Whoa! Club cut. Whoa! Club cut. Club cut. Follow the guideline around the head. Chop, chop, chop. ASMR version. Snip, 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 snip. Snip, snip. Sides feathered up. Quick blow dry. Straighten. Bit of product. Add texture. Then it's just breaking up them ends. Point cut, soften out. Check both sides. Versatility. Push it over the other side for versatility. Point cut, chop chop. ASMR. Snip snip. Check out the channel for more.